Okay, so we're having your review today, grade 11 mixed course review. One of the first questions, which of the following is a quadratic function? Okay, we're going to graph them, but what we want to go over is some of the rules that make a quadratic function. Okay, first of all, one of the rules, and I think I've drawn one of these wrong. Yeah, that's supposed to be the power of 3. Let me just quickly fix that. Make that a 3. One of the rules for a quadratic is that the variable with the highest exponent needs to be to the power of 2. Okay, so in the first one, the variable, what exponent is it to?
1.
Yeah, it's to the power of 1. So is this considered a quadratic? No. What about in this one? The variable is to what exponent?
3.
3. So would that be a quadratic?
No.
Okay. What about the f at x and the y? Did they affect us at all? No, not really, right? We know this one's just kind of function notation, and this one's kind of used when comparing two variables or when we're graphing. Now, the next two we have, the third and the fourth one, we have x to the power of 2 and x to the power of 1, and then we have x to the power of 2 and an x to the power of 1. Would both of these end up being quadratic?
No.
No. Do you know which one wouldn't be?
4.
4? And why 4?
Because you have to do FOIL and make it x3.
Yeah, that's right. We have to FOIL this. When we said that rule where we said the highest exponent, or the variable with the highest exponent, we want it in standard form. This is a factored form of what we're doing. So if I quickly were to FOIL this, we'd end up with, oops, not 3, 2x cubed plus 14x minus 5x minus 35, which would give us 2x cubed plus 9x minus 35. And again, in standard form, this is to the power of 3. Okay. And just to prove this, we're going to jump into our graphing program. We've already put them out here. The first one's to the power of 1. Do you know what type of function that makes?
Linear.
Yeah, it's called a linear. And see, we get a straight line when we do it. This is called a cubic function. We haven't really talked about them, but it kind of makes a little curve there at one point. The next one's going to be a cubic function we discovered again. Okay, it's just down there. We need to zoom out quite a bit to see it. And then here, we get our quadratic function. It's the shape of a parabola, the green one. So we know that that one is a quadratic function, that one there. Oops. Does that make sense?